Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Science for Kaste. And this video is going to be the part 2 of motion chapter. So in previous video I have done the uh, what yes I have done the vector and scalar quantities, but in this video I am going to tell you the parts of motion. So there are two parts. Firstly, uniform and non-uniform motion. Motion are of two types, uniform and non-uniform. So firstly I'll take an example. Yes, I'll mark the points in 5 kilometers gap. Okay, 5, 5, 5 and 5. This is a man on, yes, a bicycle. Yes, this is a bicycle. Yes, not very good, but still it's a bicycle. Okay, this is the seat, and it took 5 kilometers. It took let's say 10 minutes to cover 5 kilometers. Next 5 kilometers it covered in 10 minutes. This also 10 minutes and 10 minutes. So it covered 5, 10, 15 and 20 kilometers in 10, 20, 30, 40 minutes. It covered 20 kilometers in 40 minutes. So are the ratio same? 5 is to 10, 5 is to 10, 5 is to 10 and 5 is to 10. All of them are 5 is to 10. Means 1 is to 2 is the ratio. But if we say first 5 kilometers it covered in 10 minutes, second 5 kilometers it covered in 15 minutes, next 5 kilometers it covered in 5 minutes, and next again in 10. Are they all in same ratio? No. First is 5 is to 10 means 1 is to 2, next is 1 is to 3, third is 1 is to 1 and fourth one is again 5 is to 2. So the first example I took was of uniform motion and this one is of non-uniform motion. So you might have understood uniform motion is equal distances covered in equal intervals of time. The time is also time was equal and distance is also equal. So this is uniform. But if non-uniform, uh, equal distances, yes, unequal distances. Let's say this is the time 5 minutes. In first 5 minutes it covered 1 kilometer, another 3 and 2 and 5. So unequal distances, it covered unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Okay, so this will be non-uniform motion. Now let's see the graphs. I will have to erase this. So you all know there are two types of graph normally. First one is distance time graph. And second one is velocity time graph. Okay. So let's make the graph. Uniform and now non-uniform. Okay. Now distance time and velocity time graph. dt and vt. This is velocity, this is time, this is distance, this is time. Again dt and vt graph. Now let's make. Firstly, how will be the graph, distance time graph of uniform motion? It will be in this way. Why? because equal distance and equal time. And velocity time graph will be like this. Why? Wait. Because velocity is constant, acceleration is there is no acceleration, so v will be 0 and time will be continuous. Now if we see of non-uniform motion, it will be like this one. Wait, it won't go down, it can never go down. This is how will be the non-uniform motion, because firstly increase, then stop, then increase, then very much increased, then slow down, and then stop. Okay. Now velocity time graph will be something like this. Will be something like this. Firstly, acceleration was increasing, but after coming till here, acceleration decreased. Okay, so firstly increase and then decrease. This is velocity time graph. Friends, our uniform and non-uniform motion topic was till here, and in next video I'll continue with further parts of motion chapter. Till then, bye bye and see you all in the next class.